This Summer Vibes kit from Echo Park is so good. I cannot wait to use it for my beach pictures. Here is a sheet of palm trees, so it could be tropical or just beach, just staying cool, let the sun in and let summer fun begin. You can make lots of paper crafting projects, lots of scrapbook pages, lots of cards. Here are palm trees, popsicles, rafts. I love the color palette on this. This is a great color palette. Here are sunshines and tropical leaves on the back. Here's really pretty orange, and this is really good quality paper. I love Echo Park's products. Here's a really good sheet. Hello Sunshine. You could use some of those for cards or make tags. Junk journaling. Here is a really pretty stripe that coordinates with everything. Umbrellas and towels. Another really pretty stripe. More cutouts. The last thing I'll show you at the bottom is a sheet of stickers. Here are some waves, sunglasses, and here's the sheet of stickers. Look at these stickers. Endless summer, vacation vibes. Wonderful, wonderful kit.